What's up, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle, and we've all seen faces drawn at an angle like this, right? This 3/4 view? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw faces like that too. Before we get started, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. So it may help to think of this exercise as the circle and wedge face, just tilted slightly to the right. Start with the circle with the eye and nose lines just below center and to the right. From here, draw this wedge shape on the right side of the circle. I bring that wedge shape up to the eye line on the left because it represents the hinge of the jawbone. Please be sure there's some cranium showing on the left. Your drawing will look off if the jaw goes all the way to the left edge of the circle. And don't ask me why I drew the little skull and arrow on the left, I have no idea. Anyway, now split the initial circle in half because it will define the edge of the left eye. From that center line to the right edge of the face, the left eye and space between the eyes should be about the same width, but the space for the right eye won't be as wide. Quick side note for drawing eyes, I see these football shape eye tutorials. If you want realism or naturalism in any way, this won't help. I think of an eye as a leaning quadrilateral. Long side, short side, long side, short side. Would you like to see a full how to draw an eye tutorial? Let me know in the comments. From here, measure one eye down and draw a small circle for the bottom of the nose, followed by the curved contour. Generally, the nostril is as wide as the well of the eye, known as the caruncle. Now measure another eye down from the bottom of the nose to mark the lower lip. Lips are usually as wide as the center of the eye. I can also discuss drawing noses and lips at different angles in another video. Then, being mindful of the cheekbone placement, measure one more eye down from the mouth to mark the bottom of the chin. Now we draw the ear on the eye line just to the left of the jawbone wedge from the beginning. You may want more details in the ear than this. I'm not drawing more because I know I'm going to cover it with hair. Next, draw the eyebrows. There's no need to measure these, and measure 3 eyes up for the hairline and 1 more eye up for the top of the head. Once we've marked these points, draw the overall shape of the hairstyle and the neckline. I decided to give this person long hair, but you can do whatever you want. Now erase everything, including the guidelines. Think of what we just did as the sketch layer in Procreate or Photoshop. Next, let's redraw everything with a nice clean outline. Remember, less is more when drawing hair. You don't need to draw every eyelash or every strand of hair on the top of the head. Now lightly shade the hair with the side of your pencil, and imagining the light sources on the right, add an even lighter value on the left temple and cheek and under the eyebrows and chin. Oh, and the left side of the nose. Now you can use an eraser to draw on any highlights in the hair, then shade a dark value around those erased areas. Again, no need to draw every hair unless you want to. Finally, do a final check that you're happy with the shaded values on the left side of the face, and you're done. Please subscribe, like, and share.